Yo. I mean, I don't know. Can you guys see me and hear me and stuff? Something's happened with YouTube. I fucked some setting up. Oh, you got me now? Okay, I was talking for a while there. Anyway, here we are, live from the kitchen. Live from the kitchen, part 7, and let's see what's up. Let's see if we can trade some candles. Yeah, wow. We'll do a bit of analysis here on gold. And that is drilling in the background. You thought I escaped one drill? No. I escape one drill to find another. That's usually how life goes. It's your ability to overcome the drills. So, like, groundbreaking stuff over here. Gold's pushing up. I mean, not a bad, like, buy opportunity there. It's a bit risky. Oh, you can't. Yeah, I've got the suppressor on. What up, Grant? Be good to catch up with you, brother, at the end of the week. I think we are. Bro, I just ran to go to an ATM. I'm like sweating. If gold can hold up here, I'll take a buy. Because buys have been a really good opportunity lately in London. But yeah, one thing about trading, it's like you can't really rely on like something happening in the past to happen again. Like that's why it's so important to have long-term data. Because if you go, oh, the last 2 times this happened, and it's like, yeah, 2's not enough data. I mean, if you had 25 minimum, maybe, I don't know. Collect the data, dude. But sweet as. Big Rad, what up, G? London cook-off, yes sir. Let's get cooked. Big Static, what up, G? Waterfall, haven't seen you in a while, Waterfall. What's the game plan? Good question. I mean, as of where it sits right now, I'd like to buy gold. And NQ is at an interesting level. Can't really buy NQ until it breaks above here. And maybe it breaks below here. So we'll keep an eye on NQ. I think, bro, has anyone here ever got to Bullinock's live account? It's actually so fucking hard. I might be the first person in history. I've decided since they nerfed my other account randomly, I'm just going to focus on one account. And we're getting there. Big Cashy, what up, G? James, Pez, Mitch. Mitchy Nisanchi. So last couple of days, what's happened on NQ is gold is essentially this, where it's held small body red like this above a key area, and then the next one we tried to anticipate a continuation up. If that happens again, I'm going to take the trade again. Because I'm not a little bitch. I'm not a bitch like that. That's all. What up, Carolina? Good to see ya. Good to see you live on Yui. Tiki, I mean. Yeah, that's the thing about trading. It's going to bring out whether you're a bitch about it or not. The thing with trading is it's interesting because there has to be this fine line of like your ability to manage risk, but also your ability to take on risk. It's a very intricate balance of some traits. Why is the Bullinox live account hard? Because you need to hit a certain threshold to get a payout, which for me would be around 6 grand in profit. And then you have to trade for 10 days after that to get a second, and then a third. And I think each time is like 10 days of trading before the next payout. And then by the third payout, then I think you get moved to live. I don't know. I guess it's not that hard, but it doesn't sound hard, but it fucking is. Because prop firms, especially if you're like, you know, you've got multiple running at once, and like, you know, you can be a bit goosey with some to try and get bigger payouts and shit. Can I see you mark out key level on gold from a professional point? Yeah, man. I mean, so gold's interesting because it's going to be hard to want to sell gold right now. So I'm not even going to mark support levels. The only level that was the resistance was right here, right? And we got a candle break above. Next one, retest. That would have been an okay opportunity to buy. Still a bit sketchy. So right now, it's up here. And I mean, it's the exact same setup that I've got cooked on the last 2 days, which is it breaks above, holds a bit of support, enough for a volume to continue up and push it up. So if that happens again, I'll probably take a buy here. That's really the only setup I can see right now. Other than that, yeah, that's it. But maybe I won't. I don't know. I'll see. But you know what? Like, I've got to really if I see this setup and don't take it, I really have to have a justification as to why I don't take it. And my only justification would be, well, the last 2 trading days I've tried that. The volume in London just hasn't been there, and it's failed to push up. I mean, that's not the best justification. Oh, nice, Jason. Good stuff, man. I took that Bree London. When's this, Mitch? Today? Damn, Mitch is back-to-back bangers. Wow. Are you talking about today, Mitch? So here's this, you guys. Check this out. This is Mitch. Mitch is in the mentorship. If you go on my YouTube page, you'll see me and Mitch have done a podcast together. He got funded 2 days ago, and in 2 days, he's up $12,000 motherfucking dollars. Tell me trading's a scam. Tell me. Tell me trading's a scam, you little bitches. People that cry about it when brother over here just made $12,000 in 2 days. Oh, look at this. Static as well in the chat. I made 8K USD today as well on one account. There you go. Yeah. So Static and Mitch, Ty and Mitch over here that I'll tell you something, and this isn't me telling too much, but last week I had a one-on-one with both these guys, and they were both like, oh man, you know, trading's been tough the last couple of weeks. We set a game plan. 3 days later, these motherfuckers are up a couple fucking months' wages in 2 days. All good. Crazy scam. Really sad that I came across trading. Fully roasting the dead. Legit. The main thing is just don't forget your risk management, you guys, as well, because it can all fucking stab you in the back as well. Like, you can get cooked. So remember your max loss limit, risk management. We're in this for the long term. We're in this for the long run. What happened to the New York stream yesterday? It's still going. This 24-hour stream. Now, what do you mean what happened to it? I don't understand. Bro, use below support resistance. Wait, what? Yeah, you gotta be careful with overconfidence. And I mean, I say this all the time, like every stage you get to in your trading journey, there's a new type of challenge that you'll have to overcome, whether it's how do I get out of drawdown? How do I get out of a losing streak? Or how do I manage overconfidence on a winning streak? Like overconfidence is probably more dangerous than losing streaks, because you start putting on more risk and you're like, no, that's right. Like I'll win. I always win. And yeah, shit goes south. So be careful. Lockout limits and shit. I'm in my first challenge right now. I hope I don't blow it. You'll blow it, bro. Yeah, you'll blow it. It's all good though. I want you to blow it. I honestly want you to blow heaps of shit, because you're going to learn from that. I promise you're going to learn from that. And even if you don't blow it and you pass it, cool. You're going to learn even more when you blow the funded, because, you know, think about life. The most knowledge or wisdom you've ever acquired has come from the biggest obstacles. Isn't it fucking concerning how like bullish gold is? Like something World War shit's cooking. Wow, Static. Incredible, bro. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. Yeah. You're gonna blow it as an experience. Do you have a copy trade? Yeah, I copy trade all my top step accounts. Yeah. Did the shutdown affect your breakout strategy? No. Volume. All we need is volume. You have to feel the emotion of blowing account. Yeah, you have to feel emotion to blowing accounts. My setup came, one box was unchecked. I didn't take it, but full TB hit. Bro, but I'll tell you right now, if you stood down because one of your important boxes weren't ticked and it kept moving that direction today, it's not about today. It's about the next 100 times that happens. And probably, you know, 60 of those times, it doesn't play out like that. So you're winning in the long run. So was this a 15? Yeah. I mean, do we want to take a buy? But yeah, man, good to be here with you guys live from the kitchen, and we'll see what's up. I would want to trade gold or something, I think. Live from the kitchen. Ariel blown to accounts. Yeah. I mean, here's the thing, and this is like when me and Perry did a stream the other day. Buy it, don't be a bitch. I'll probably will buy it if it gives me a steeper wick. While you're in the kitchen, bro, I still got so much shit I need to set up. But like IKEA and all these places are dropping stuff off today. When me and Pez did a stream the other day, Pez said, someone said, oh, I blew an account. I'll learn. I mean, I guess I'll learn from this. And Pez says, learn what? And that is such an important like rebuttal. Like, will you learn from this? Like, what are you learning? What did you do? And it's hard to identify that because it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt to admit to yourself, oh, I was a degenerate loser kind of thing. Imagine if I just start actually cooking shit on the stove. W me. Yeah, I mean, if I get a steeper bottom wick, it's a very risky trade, but I'm a risky cat. Any scalping opportunities on Bitcoin? Not really. Forget Americans. Where's the green screen, bro? Bro, I remember when I first started streaming. Fuck, I used to get spammed with green screen accusations. Danny Sins. Did you trade during Asia? No, I haven't traded during Asia. I've been pretty busy. I traded New York last night pretty late. I already answered that. The shutdown doesn't do anything. Look at NQ. Yeah, I know what NQ looks like. Yeah, I am aware of what NQ looks like. I'm somewhat interested in this level. Yeah, I'm interested in this level. That's a good idea. I mean, this will probably go, but I would have wanted a steeper wick. Yeah, I don't know if you're still there, Kashi, but yep, definitely. Yep, I'll message you. Alright, there's that high being broken there. What's the probability if it breaks it again? Who knows the probability of that? I mean, what's the point of doing 10, you know what I mean? Ouch, look at that. Look how I just broke the highs and said, fuck all, yo. That's what I did the last 2 days. Savage Garden. Damn, what even is your strategy? I mean, if you look on my social medias, I've got it riddled everywhere. Honestly. It's fucking everywhere. You guys can't get rid of me. Even Spanish birds that I've spoke to, they're like, man, your fucking trading content pops up on my feed. Like, your boy's Mr. Worldwide. Our algorithm heads towards Latinas. Daniel, how come you didn't come on live yesterday? Yeah, I was. It was during the New York session, though. Yeah, it was during New York. Yeah, how brutal was that if you had a buy stop sitting up there? Today, gold. Yeah, Pez. Don't be acting like a freaking rich dictator now. You gotta stay sharp on all shits. Oh wow, look, someone donated $1. What was the first thing you brought with your payout? Bro, I'm not like that. So here's the thing. It's kind of in my DNA. I've been broke my whole life, so I still feel broke. I'm still scared to spend money. You know what I mean? So any money that I've ever got has just kind of gone into new accounts or just something to make more. I've spent nothing on like luxury shit whatsoever. I still feel broke. I still feel very broke. How old are you? 34. 3 frizzle. It's a good mindset, really? I don't know if it's good. I don't know. Yo, BPC. BPC's the best in the game, but you know, that's what's up. Brandon over here. B Pizzle. My nizzle. BBC. Fuck. Oh shit. BBC's up late. What time is it for you, Brandon? I'm gonna cancel this. This is me just trying to be cheeky. And let's see what's up on NQ. Oh wow, it is 2 AM. Crazy. My boy's just up at night with like 20 screens doing market research. You know how it is. Researching the market. You know when you first come into trade and you think that's like the shit you have to do? Yeah, dude, every night before I go to sleep, you know, I spend 2 hours doing market research for the next day. It's like, oh man, crazy. You guys scared off meditations. I'm not happy about it. Just look at the kid. Did she really block him? Ah, damn, we have to unblock meditations. Man, I've been sleeping on a floor and all sorts of shit. He was saying meditations was saying that Mitch Mitch is like cursed or something. That's why Mitch is getting these profits. Yeah, we'll see what happens in Q. Oh, me and BPC are gonna do a stream together very soon as well, you guys. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, we're gonna do a stream together. 2 shredded animals. Yeah, it should be sick. Has anyone in Dubai tried to invite you to Islam to become Muslim? Yes. Sort of. BP, yeah, BP's price action. Yeah, I think he's like a few indicators now, but price action. I do not think is broken. Wait, I don't agree. Think is broken is good mindset. No, I agree, GM. I don't think it's a good mindset either. I'm trying to get out of it. I will get out of it. Okay, here's the thing. I feel broke still, but I also feel that money is abundant. And I know the word abundance is really annoying, but I do also feel like money is abundant in terms of my ability to garner it, but it hasn't diminished the feeling of being broke. All right, so we're just kind of hanging out here on gold. NQ's coming down to this level. Love the word abundant. You're very likely a guy with a good character. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, maybe Winchell. Billions. Explain gold. Yellowy, orange color, heavy, hard to find, and very valuable. Condensed rock. Tell your explanation. Bluey, good shit on getting some of these new accounts as well. Congratulations, man. Bluey's an OG, man. People underestimate Bluey's OG-ness. What? Bro, they did parry dirty in this as well. Fuck. Thought Bluey's to go the longest time. I mean, maybe genders are just fluent. All right, 20 seconds here for this 30 closure and stuff. Still kind of in this range on NQ. Gold's kind of holding up above this level up here. Not really doing much. Couple doji kind of candles. 30. I mean, do we want to buy gold? I still might want to buy gold. I don't know. We'll see. Are there any psychological numbers around here on gold? Damn, bro. Can you believe, look how far we are already up above 4,000 now? Like, what the fuck, bro? This is just the craziest shit. Look at the daily candles, bro. Hey, bro, if it goes any fucking more up, it's literally going to start like twisting around. Like this. So if we've got any psych numbers, let's have a look. Oh, we're at 4,200 right now. Interesting. I wonder if we get some sort of reaction off this. Dan, you should create a cooking channel and stream abundance in all forms. Abundance, bro. Abundance. People say abundance. I also say like live, love, and laugh and stuff like that. Like a sticker on their car. Been rock up to Asia, click buy. Yeah, it's a profitable system at this stage. Whoa, somebody put a big GIF on me. Thank you. It makes me look really chopped on TikTok, but thank you for that GIF. I've never seen that one before. Watching you from Botswana. Any advice to become a profitable trader? Yeah, it's just like the advice to become a profitable trader is the advice to become good at anything. You got to study, bro. Study first, then put in the practical. And then when it gets hard, you just give up or you keep going. And then eventually, if you keep going and making the right adjustments, you'll become profitable. Yeah, that's all you have to do, bro. You can fast track the process. If you can look in the description of my videos and put your name on a wait list for a mentorship, but that'll fast track the process and help you not make stupid mistakes along the journey. But other than that, that's all you need to do. That's what you got to do. What to trade today. Danny Sins and Anya Trades cook off, bro. Could you imagine? Oh, we both have our asses out. Cooked with. Yeah, so I'm trying to get it's really difficult here with gold, like, because we're just kind of here, right? NQ might have something cooking, I don't know, but it's not looking good. Bitcoin, what do you got? Gap down there. Consolidation kind of shits. I mean, I might take a Bitcoin sell just for entertainment. Looking like Logan Paul, sir, bro. You have done ICT Silver Bullet only. What the fuck is Silver Bullet? Sounds so zesty. Imagine if I made a strategy and I called it fucking the Iron Feather or something like real. The Iron Feather, bro. That's tough as. That's what you got to do. 9 years in Canada, still not profitable, but no blown accounts. You're talking. That's the fakest, most annoying story I've ever heard. If you were here, I would literally fight you. I would ask you to fight me right now. Because everything you just said there made me so angry, it's not even funny. Like, I love you, but I just have to be honest right now. That whole sentence made me so angry. I mean, yeah, we'll keep an eye on these levels. Sigma Bullet. How much is the one-on-one? I mean, the one-on-one isn't just like a one-on-one call. It's like a whole mentorship course, content, community, everything. Sunday sessions and... I mean, you should give up, bro. If it's been 9 years, I would just say give up. Because you're not doing it right. Like, you're completely flawed in your perspective on how you're approaching trading. Especially the fact that you said no blown accounts. It tells me one thing. There's three things. One, you're just lying. Two, you're like not even trading. And three, there's something wrong with you mentally. Because like, how have you not blown an account in 9 years and not profitable? It doesn't make sense. You just like break even for 9 years. There's a daily IFEG. Bro! Saw the funniest short yesterday. The guy was losing all the trades and someone in the comments was saying, stop profit, take loss. I know, it's funny when they say that, right? Yeah, they say it to me when I lose as well. Break even for 9 years. If you're 9 years, tears. But no, but he's not even in tears for 9 years because he hasn't blown an account. He's just in a neutral state for 9 years. Yeah, what Adam said there is what it is. Best advice is to remove your stop loss. Bro, there's kids on the stream. Been gooning for 9 years straight. Still haven't been edging for 9 years straight. Ken Dog. Yeah, let's be patient here, you guys. I want to trade just as much as you, but I also can't do anything dumb, so we need to see what happens. Been trading for a year and a half. Was trading gold with some midweight. Switched to NASDAQ now. Nice. Do you only trade breakouts with entry of the 15? No, I have I show breakouts the most on like TikTok and shit, but the whole strategy, it's really just price action, like reading candles, reading market structure and making a decision based on. Yeah, exactly what Jeff said there. Do you think this is a rejection wicks? You mean these two bottom wicks here or the top? Wait, the one guy, when you asked if your mentor was profitable, he said no. Yeah. Now the dude that said he studied trading at university. Hey, you guys, a quick tip. If you like are trying to catch tops of gold and sell against, pick up your keyboard and just smash it over your own head, because it's a real bad strategy. And I know people do that. Do. That's why I'm always looking for buys on gold. I'm too emotional. I was an artist in real life. Hey bro, it is real life. Yeah, I mean, this is the kind of push I was trying to catch before, but cool. GG's. Ha. Yeah. Ha. London. All good. London. All good. All good. Bro, these are on VR. In real life, I fucking... No cells in gold. Surely it's up. Nah, bro, it's not obvious. Trust me, bro. Crazy people are always trying to catch tops. Did you buy the roll from the vlog? Not yet. Not yet. I will. I will very soon. Yeah, exactly, Tobias. How long have you been trading? I think it's coming up to 5 years. The issue with buying a rollie is like you need to buy it brand new. Like you ideally want to buy it new. It's much cheaper, but you can't buy it new from a store. You have to go on like 2-year wait list. But I got some connections, so I got to talk to my dudes. See if they can hook a brother up. It's like 2 times the price if you buy it on the grey market or whatever they call it. That's funny, as says Static.
Connect, bro.
Oh, a trading module. That's funny. Give me a rollie, eh? Yeah, gonna have to chill on gold for NQ and YC probably. Unless it massively rejects. How many out of the 5 have been profitable? Probably 2.5. First 2.5 were cooked. I mean, not cooked, like there was obviously profits and I'd done well at moments, but I had no consistency. That's the issue. That was the issue, was the consistency. The strict criteria, the fucking, you know. What up, princess? Princessa? Did you blow many accounts? Yes, very many accounts. Lots of accounts were blown. Yeah, I never blown an account. Gold's going to 0. Yeah, like I don't know whether to be concerned or not about gold going up, and I mean in terms of the economical and political state of the world, you know. That's TP for me. No, of course nothing can be done. He technically didn't do anything illegal. Look at this, I blew 27 accounts, got my first payout, don't give up. Yep, that's a pretty normal story. That's a pretty common story. You guys, some of your favorite traders in the industry have blown over probably close to 1,000 accounts. I'm not exaggerating. If you guys watch Patrick Whelan's live stream and stuff, ask him how many accounts he's blown. I guarantee it's around 1,000. Yeah, look at BPC here. I've probably blown 500. Yep. I've blown well over 100. Well over 100. And that's probably me in denial. It's probably higher than that. So it's just like successful prop firm traders, like BPC is like one of the most successful prop traders here in the chat right now. And it's just a part of the game. Like it's just accounts come and go. That's why I was saying before, it's so hard to get to live on Bullinox because as a prop trader, you're so used to getting your money, getting your payout, going aggressive and either blowing the account or just get a new one. So it's like, To stay disciplined for so long to get to live on Bullocks is fucking hard. No maid detection. Nah, not yet, but there will be a maid detection soon. Blown about 80. Yep. Why not use your own cash? I mean, personally, I was always broke, so I started with prop phones because it was an easy barrier to entry, and now I'm just with them because it's easy to make money from them with a low investment. Yeah, I wanted to buy. This is the move I kind of wanted to get. I didn't expect to do that, but I wanted to get a buy over here. I mean, I was interested even when this 30 closed, but I would have still needed a bit of a better bottom wick than that. That's the only issue. Because their accounts are so cheap, yeah. I mean, who did the statistics? I was talking to someone the other day, and a prop firm owner I was talking to, and he said they were scared to. Oh, what did he say? They were scared to introduce either instant funding. No. They always done 2-step challenges. But then they added in a new one where they could do 1-step challenges that you could pass in one day. And they were scared to do that because they were scared that people were going to get funded quick and make money, and they would they would lose money as a business. But what they actually found was once they added in the daily, you could pass in a day, they sold way more and got way less payouts because people lost respect for the accounts. They just got it funded, didn't give a shit about it, and then blew it straight away. So it's like, yeah, there's so much interesting psychology behind shit. I've blown loads? Patrick is a little crazy all over the place, but Companion D Money. I'll be honest, I've never ever watched one of his live streams, never seen anything, but I just seen some things. Blown 64, nice, yeah. Yep. Seems about right. Yeah, I remember back in the day when I was like, I've blown 9 accounts. And I felt so bad about it. And then I heard someone that like blew like 20. I was like, wow, I feel better now. Here I am 10 years later, blown like 4 billion. And just I'm a robot about it. What do you think about funded accounts without challenges? I mean, it's really just about if you have the ability to make money with them. That's all it really is. Wait, why are you saying Rome's crazy? No, I haven't done the math. I would never do the math. As long as I'm up, that's all I care about, which I am heavily. That's the thing, like you can blow a bunch of accounts, but then within like 2 payouts, you're way above straight away. End of day just means end of day drawdown, Julia. So the stop loss doesn't follow you. 46 accounts, Rad, nice. W. Oh, his first 16k I got him 8 BE. Yeah, nice. Yeah, yeah. Rowan's Wildcat. Yes, sir, Rad. Yep, the return. Yeah, we're gonna cook, my dude. I promise. What are you drinking? It's just hydrolyte mixed with pomegranate and water. Yeah, I dropped a hydrolyte thing in it as well. Yeah, gold's lame. But that's what I was saying before, like, and I'm not suggesting this, but like there's a fine line between like your ability to manage risk and then also your ability to be a bit like risk heavy, where Roan's that guy, like he's very risk heavy. And yes, he'll probably go through some massive low moments emotionally and financially, but he can also, you know, I don't know how that is long term. I don't think it's good. I haven't read anything statistically that sounds good for people. Obviously, you can have big hits, but then you're probably going to give back a big amounts. Like if you read the book or listen to the book, The Operations of a Stock Trader, The Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. I mean, this guy's trading in 1920s, killing it, crushing it, making so much money, millions and millions and millions, and then ended up himself because he lost it all. You know what I mean? Like wild stuff is trading. I think someone did the statistics or like measured and checked all the blood pressure of all different industries, and they said that traders by large have the highest blood pressure and things like that. It's a hard industry, man. It's a hard job. Like even though we sit here and talk about horses' dicks and shit, like it is, you know, it's tough. Yeah, that's the thing, Pez. You can blow 40 Bullinox accounts and then with one payout, you're good to go. What's the average win rate? Oh, shit. Damn, crazy. Some of my IKEA stuff's here. My 100k funded went up by 20k, but they didn't pay me out. Yeah, probably because they have consistency rules and stuff. I mean, do we want to buy from this point on NQ? What a zesty doorbell, bro. That is kind of zesty. It's like a fucking cartoon, right? Ding dong. All the grays from stress, legit. No, I'm only wearing a hat because I barely shower. I've been sleeping on the floor. I'm basically homeless. Can't be bothered doing anything with my hair. You shit your pants when your stop loss gets hit? Any advice? Yeah, it's just going to be a time thing. And you got to make a conscious effort to not get stressed out about like, you know, like all tense and shit. Like pretend that you're all good with it. Just keep pretending that it's all good, and then eventually it just like becomes a natural state. And you know, it doesn't matter. Like more experience, you know, yeah, this stop is going to get hit, but the next one's not. And yeah, you should be good. What's XRP doing? Consolidating. Probably two trades a day. What's the 2 trades a day? Yeah, I got a new place. I'm currently in the kitchen, live from the kitchen. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, gang. Drop a thumbs up for the stream. Live on YouTube. Average win rate? It's hard to know. I don't know, 60, 70%. Let's get a house tour. Can't really do a house tour. MTV Cribs. If NQ close like this, maybe we can buy. We as in me, but we'll see. Oh, it's an hour closure. What does the hour look like? Oh, interesting. Maid has been at the new. Yeah, no. Oh, they don't support Viets. As Theo Yvonne would say, the Viet. What's the significance of 1 hour closure to the 5 hour? I mean, it just implies more strength for whatever way it closes. Like if it closes heavy bearish, then it's going to mean more for the overall direction than a 5 minute. Means it's been held in that position for that long. Implies more strength, I guess. Yeah, we might as well just nerf London altogether at this stage. Nah, my payouts aren't coming to a Dubai. I do have to change that actually. I've just got so much shit that I need to do in life. Forex or crypto? I mean, it depends what you mean. Yeah, it depends what you mean. Like, using Wise. I don't know. Am I? Oh, yeah. No, I don't know if I'm using Wise, but I think I get paid from Wise accounts or something, but into an Australian account, if that's what you mean. These dudes are bringing in some couches and shit. Nah, the beaches aren't as good as Australia. Wow, gold keep pushing here. Gold keep pushing. No, I don't know, Mitch. All I know is it just comes into my account. My Australian account. I need to organize Wise though, definitely. Yeah, because I need to figure out how to. Because do you get paid? Yeah, for international transfers. I mean, I did an international transfer not too long ago and got charged 500 Australian dollars. It was a big transfer, but still. Bro, go on gold. A liquidity sweep is going to happen soon. Bro, how about you do it and then you send us live recordings of you doing it instead of just giving advice? And if you can do it and show real money is being used, then I'll consider it. But until then, you could be just lying to me. Hey, you guys on YouTube, if you want to join the free Discord community, here's the thing in the chat. You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. If you type that into YouTube, you'll see I'm live. And I just sent a Discord link into the chat. Wow, with Wise in a second. Yeah, I got to set that up like today. Do you invest in crypto? Fuck no. I refuse to not get a trade. Turn the suppressor on there. Yeah, crypto fried the shit out of so many. It's insane, bro. So insane, man. Like, did you guys see the story of that crypto guy in the Lamborghini that fucking, you know, did himself because of the crypto crash? Yeah, it was horrible. Yeah, crazy, man. Wild, bro. Did he really lose 65 million? Wow. Wow. You know what? He lost 65 million, but he probably had like another couple mil just sitting around. You know what I mean? And it's like, but nah, it's still... Oh, he was managing funds as well. Investors' money as well. Damn. Poor dude, bro. Yeah, it's just very, very rare that you hear like stories that go well where you manage other people's money, man. Not over leveraged, bro. Legit. Nah, like XRP, for instance. BBC XRP dropped 50%. Like if we go on the daily on XRP, look, it nerfed. It nerfed all the way down to here. So all the fucking major levels there, it nerfed all below that. Look at the weekly. So this is a whole XRP's lifespan right here, and look how far that one day it came down to, all the way here. So the lowest point was there, the highest point was there. It nerfed more than 50%. This looks like 65%. Brother. So much for stable. Yeah, it's a joke. Like people that try to talk so much shit about XRP, like it's this and that. It's like, hey bro, imagine if gold dropped 65% and went down to 1,000 in one day. Yeah, so stable. It's like, people are in denial. These crypto guys are in denial, bro. We'll just keep buying gold. How many dudes are fucking claiming that they, yeah, dude, when fucking the market crashed, I actually put a buy order right there. Then you still read the Bible sometimes. You had, yeah, definitely. I read it right through. I'm still not finished, but the last couple, maybe week, I've been watching YouTube videos, but I haven't actually been spending the time to sit down and read, just with moving and stuff. But I've still been watching YouTube videos. And yeah, I don't want to like lose that connection. News. This was reliable. Yeah, I'm very interested in this level above here, so we'll see what happens. See if NQ can get there. Just wait, most exchanges were closed when it happened? That's crazy. Full scam as. Did you see some guy actually made 190 million selling Bitcoin like 30 minutes before? Like he fully knew something. Why isn't he trading? What up, Az dog? Live from the kitchen. Az dog 3000. Have you heard by trades by side, bro? That dude, come on, man. Come on, bro. Every day he's making 2.1 million. All good, but come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. New crib's good, bro. New crib's good. I got guys here setting it up right now. That's why it's a bit loud in the background. Nice. But yeah, so much shit I got to set up. He made 197 million. Like, how is that?
Where is it? There?
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was, the one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret. Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life that I've ever known. It's hard to
Yes, that's right, Mr. Sereno.
the path that I've strolled. You keep telling yourself
Alright, we'll see if gold gets this level up here.
to go. And everyone will tell you to change. Just stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same.
Oh, it's the bed people. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, awesome, thanks.
And I know you can plan this route today, but we all know the
Who
paths of life
goes?
that we took.
Yeah,
The
perfect.
wolves.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, 100% as. Keen, bro. Alright, we've got 7 minutes for this candle. I want to see if it breaks above this level.
Where?
Yeah.
ज्यादा ऊंचा ना जा
MES. The fuck? MES breaking out. Should I buy XRP now? Well, think about that logically. If it can lose 65% of its value in one day, do you want to buy something that can do that? I don't know, maybe you do. Maybe you want to be like all the guys that were holding a position for 2 years just to get liquidated in one day. You jackass, you didn't take trade on... Oh, it's Bridge! Remember Bridge? You jackass, you didn't take trade on gold. Guys, follow Roger Banks. They are printing there today. Fucking hell. Oh man, that's wild. Yeah, crazy, right, Sam? So we've got 5 minutes here. See what this candle can do, guys. It's our only hope. Damn, gold's still pushing. Wow. Can you elaborate why you're a noob? Yeah, I had multiple people here just rock up at the same time, dropping shit off. If NQ doesn't break out, but MES does, do we want to do MES? But does that like... I mean, is that kind of like greedy? You just kind of trying to chase a trade then at that point? Is that greedy, chasing a trade? Bridge, you're in a YouTube chat. You're a loser! You're a loser! Yeah, it sucks shit. That's so good. Why are you in the kitchen? Because I just moved. Yeah, I just moved houses. Alright, man, 3 minutes. Let's see what's up here. I mean, I think they both have clean range. It's just like... See. That's so fucking... Cooking with mommy, yeah. Anal trades. If your rule is to not chase a trade, don't chase. Yeah, I know, but you know the old saying, Arnold Schwarzenegger, number 3, rule number 4, break the rules. Sometimes you have to break the rules. What's your view on fair value gap? I think it's a fair dinkum joke. Now I have no opinion on it. I don't know. I don't care about it. I don't think about it. I mean, a lot of times I'm taking breakout trades. Dude's like, dude, you're buying into a fair value gap, and then I just win the trade. It's like, I mean, everyone looks at the market slightly different. It's just up to the individual. Unable to join mentorship. Many why? Man, why? What do you mean What do you mean, bro? There's a link in my description for a waitlist. And we filter out the crazy people and see those that are serious. Then you're doing podcasts with Raja showing off he's in same level like him. Lol. Hey, bro. What? You know what I mean? Hey, bro, real quick, but what? Yo, bro, I want to ask something? No. How good is selling at the top of a liquidity and buying at the low? I don't know. Bathroom to where you feel relaxed. You jump in the kitchen, my dude. This is where it's all happening. Where you from, bro? Australia. Australia, mate. Until 7 trades a day. All right, there's a closure. MES closed above, NQ didn't. MES closed above, but NQ did not. Bridge, you're gonna get yourself banned. Nah, I don't think silver's that good for like day trading, to be honest. A lot of buyers probably just got tagged in there. It's tough. The thing is, I just don't trade NBS. I never trade. I think I've traded it once. Gold's depressing. Just keeps pushing up. Yeah. Buyers tagged. Yeah. I mean, it's still not. It looks good on MES, but I mean, I wanted it to kind of tag in and then reject and then re-break. A bit high now. Yeah. I don't know, man. Come Come on, enter it. Why would I do something that's not in accordance to my plan? I'm gonna break my rules just because you're want to watch me do something and lose my real money. Call it. Yeah, I mean there's nothing on gold whatsoever. NQ is kind of a lot of green now. It's rejecting off this level. Yeah, I would have been tagged out of this now. Yeah, tagged out. Yeah, I think that was a really good decision there to not take that. Yeah, NQ didn't break out. No, that's a bad idea. I'm probably just gonna fuck it. I'll wait to see this candle, man. I want to see what this candle does, but it's not looking very interesting, to be honest. Oh, these lights are.
Oh, maybe.
Oh,
maybe.
where do they mark? Oh, yeah, they brought in furniture. Police.
Yeah.
To remove the car?
Yeah.
What? Oh, fuck. Is the car still there?
Okay.
Okay. Come back at New York. Yeah, that's going to be smart. Typical London session.
Yeah,
Yeah, do you want to chat on it?
yeah.
Yeah. But this is that. Seal. Yeah, I'll see how this candle develops, and then yeah, that's it. It's not looking fun.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Very sure. Is it great?
Sixty rules, man. Not like. I mean, the thing is, so that you know, it's the game you play a little bit when you stream, because when you stream, you sit here and there's like people kind of want to see something happen, and I've plenty of times taken a bullshit trade just because like I better trade. I'm on stream, but it's a bad way to go. What up, Tip? Purple. Big Z, what up, what up? Yeah, you get that feeling, hey, Static. You're just like, man, I'm on stream. People are here. They want me to trade. Yeah. Let's have some fun with viewers, yeah. Yeah, that's right. I think I'm gonna call it, you guys. Nothing really happening here. Gold, there's no opportunities, and NQ's kind of just dancing around here. On NQ, I'd want to see a pullback now. I'd want to see it come down here and then break through. But now that we're kind of dancing up here, it's not looking that fun. So yeah, it might be a New York type of thing. So yeah, all good, you guys. Appreciate you guys jumping on here, and yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get some decent plays tomorrow. And you guys in the mentorship, I'll be running the New York stream as well. So I'll catch you guys in the New York stream. Love you, gang. See you guys. Peace out. Peace out.